Holly and Gracie are friends by Mrs. B. This is Holly. This is Lauren with Holly as a puppy. I am Gracie. I live with Lauren and Miles. Holly and I are friends. We like each other. I like to play in the mud. My mom does not like that very much. Then I must go take a bath. I look pretty when I'm done. Do you like my bows? I like to hang out in my swimming pool when it's hot. The things I like the most are chips and naps. Sometimes my mom dresses me in silly outfits. I do not like it. I like to go to Mrs. B's house and hang with Holly. The end.